Hello everyone, welcome to CoddingAdda. Today we will discuss on channel. Channel is a very new concept in Go. We'll know the fundamentals of channel. Let's get started. Channel are the pipes that connect concurrent Go routines. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about Go routine. Go routines are nothing but is lightweight threads that run asynchronously. This Go routines can be communicated each other via channels. The channels are the medium to send value from one Go routine to another Go routine. Let me go to this diagram, then it will be clear. So we have a main Go routine. This is our main Go routine. And we have another Go routine that is test fn. And we are launching from main this sub Go routine test fn. Now, how this two Go routine main and test fn will communicate each other so that they will know the state of another Go routine, or if they want, they can get the value from another Go routine. So we'll use this channel that will help us to communicate between this main Go routine and this test of another Go routine. So here channel is the communication medium between them. So we need to know two things: how to send value in the channel and how to receive value from the channel. If channel is in the left side, that means we are sending some values to channel, and if channel is in the right side, that means we are receiving some value from the channel. It's very simple. Channel is left and we have the left arrow, that means we are sending some value to the channel. And if channel is on the right side and we have the left arrow always, that means we are taking something from channel, we are receiving from channel. And then we can store the received value in any variable. How we will create channel? So this is the uses of channel, those two lines. But before using channel ch, you have to create the channel. What is the syntax? Syntax is this one. This is our variable name for the channel ch. You can give any name to it. Ch colon equals to, we are creating channel and assigning value to the channel. Then we are again using the same built-in function make, and we are passing the type of the channel. So we have to always write ch in chan, then the value type of the channel. What type of value this channel will store? We are here taking the integer values. We want integer values will be passed via this channel from one Go routine to another Go routine. So this is the line we are creating and assigning the channel. Then we'll use this ch to either send or receive the value. Now we have one interesting property that we need to know, because on this property our whole program will be dependent. By default, sends and receives block until both the sender and receiver are ready. So sending to the channel and receiving from the channel are blocking operation. Are blocking operation. Let's understand this in our program. So we have the main function, then we are creating the channel, then we are launching another Go routine, that is test fn. We are passing this channel to this test fn function ch chan int. So this is the type of the channel chan int, and ch is the variable name. This ch can be anything. So in this function we are sending 10 to the channel. So this line number 14, here we want to receive something from the channel, and the left side the value will be received. So ch is in the right side and we have always left arrow. That means we want to receive something from the channel in line number 14. So this will be by default blocking operation. So after launching this test and go routine, the execution will come in line number 14 and it will wait here until it get some value from the channel. So in between, this test fn function will be executed asynchronously, and as soon as we are sending 10 to the channel, then this line will be executed, and the very next line we don't have anything, so main routine will exit. Now we will run this program. We will get 10 because we are sending 10 to this channel and we are receiving from the channel, then the program is getting exited. So by default, sending and receiving from the channel is blocking operation. So as soon as we will send something to this channel, then this line will be executed. Else, main routine will wait at this line. And we will use this property of channel in almost every program. It helps us to write asynchronous code and communicate between them. We will discuss more on channel in upcoming lectures. I hope now you have the basic of channel. Thank you guys. That's all for this lecture. Bye.